In this video, we will create an inspection report from an ITP step in Nexentis. Reports are connected directly to the inspection workflow, so the information stays linked to the correct client, purchase order, part, and ITP step. We will start from the dashboard where the active ITP is already visible. Click on the ITP step in the Active Fabrication Orders window. This will directly open the ITP. In the ITP table, you can see the inspection steps, planned dates, actual dates, pass and fail results, and available actions. To create a report, choose the ITP step you want to report on and click the three dots. The Create Report option will appear. From this menu, choose Create Report. This opens the report creation window for that specific ITP step. The Create PDF Report window opens with the report information already prepared. Nexentis automatically fills in key details such as the report title, report date, client name, purchase order number, part name, and report language. The report title can be changed as well as the report date and report language. At the moment, French is the only available report language other than English. Review the information before continuing. Scroll down to complete the inspection results section. Select the result status such as pass or fail, then enter the inspector findings. This is where you describe what was checked, what was observed, and any important notes related to the inspection. The report can also include follow-up items and inspection images. This helps keep the report complete by linking the inspection result, findings, photos, and any related follow-up work together. To add images, click Add Images. Select the inspection photos from your computer. These images can be photos taken during fabrication, inspection, packaging, dimensional checks, or any other relevant inspection activity. You can select multiple photos at a time. Once the images are selected, click Open. After the images are added, they appear in the Images section of the report window. You can add more images if needed or remove a selected image before generating the report. Next, choose where the PDF report should be saved. Click Browse, then select the folder where you want Nexentis to create the PDF report. After selecting the folder, the save location will appear in the report window. Once the report information, result, findings, images, and save location are ready, click Save Report. Nexentis will generate the PDF report and save it to the selected location. When the report is created successfully, Nexentis displays a confirmation message. Click OK to continue. The report is now saved and linked to the correct ITP step in the cloud, in the part quality docket, and on your computer. Back in the ITP window, you can now click on the View Documents button. This will open the Quality Documents window. This window is very important. This is where you can view all the documents and reports that will be in the final quality documents docket that will be given to your client after the fabrication and all ITP steps have been completed. The documents are listed under every ITP step they are attached to. To preview a document, simply click on it. It will appear in the right preview window. Here you can see what the reports look like. The pass or fail status is clearly indicated. If photos were added to the report, they are included in the PDF as inspection photos. This gives the report visual evidence of the inspection work and helps support the final quality documentation. You have now created an inspection report directly from an ITP step in Nexentis. The report is saved as a PDF, linked to the correct inspection step, and available in the document viewer. This helps your team keep inspection results, findings, photos, and quality records organized in one connected workflow.